Here are 10 common sentences used in English, along with their translations in Spanish. English. Hello, how are you? Spanish. Hola, ¿cómo estás? English. What is your name? Spanish. ¿Cuál es tu nombre? English. I love you. Spanish. Te quiero, te amo. English. How old are you? Spanish. ¿Cuántos años tienes? English. Where are you from? Spanish. ¿De dónde eres? English. Thank you very much. Spanish. Muchas gracias. English. How can I help you? Spanish. ¿En qué puedo ayudarte? English. Excuse me. Sorry. Spanish. Perdón. Disculpa. English. I don't understand. Spanish. No entiendo. English. Goodbye. See you later. Spanish. Adios. Hasta luego. Please subscribe to our channel and click on bell button por favor. Suscríbete a nuestro canal y haz clic en el botón de la campana.